Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the status breakpoint error that you're experiencing on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up Google Chrome. You want to open up the settings icon up in the top right, and then you want to go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select Advanced and then select Reset and Cleanup. Underneath Reset and Cleanup, select Resist Restore Settings to their original defaults. So this action will reset Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. If you want to share the current settings with Chrome, you can. Otherwise, you can uncheck that box and then select Reset Settings. And once that's done, close out of here and then relaunch the browser. And relaunch your browser, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you go back into settings here, and into the search settings field, type in hardware, and it says use hardware acceleration when available. Turn that off, and then select relaunch, and once again, see if that has resolved the problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.